YAMAHA XVS650. Dragstar Best Motorcycle Review. Low seat height with comfy saddle, 1997 to 2007. The Yamaha Dragstar 650, or XVS650 as it's officially known, is a fun and hassle-free way to enjoy your cruising. It's got a low, comfy seat, big bike looks, ease of use, and nice styling on its side. Add that to a low purchase price and the Yamaha Dragstar 650 makes a good case for itself as an affordable alternative to Harley-Davidson's 883 Sportster or Triumph Bonneville. Prices on the used market appear to be holding well, with tidy examples available between £3,500 and £5,500 depending on the age, and spec owners have also praised the Dragstar for its ease of use and decent reliability. Ride quality and brakes. Underneath those faux hardtail looks, there is in fact a preload-adjustable rear shock. Consequently, the Dragstar 650 rides very well, and whilst it's no featherweight, all the timber is carried low. The steering is neutral throughout a bend, with overzealous riding leaving the peg, exhaust and the chassis gently chamfering on your favorite corner. Too much of this and you'll be scouring the net for some replacement parts. Although the Dragstar comes with some degree of cornering prowess, the same cannot be said for the brakes, with a rudimentary rear drum featuring on the model until its demise. You're well advised to proceed with that in mind, with the basic stoppers needing to haul up just shy of 230 kilograms. That's more than a BMW S1000 XR sports adventure bike. Engine. With the Yamaha Dragstar 650 lacking in the brake department, it's fortunate that it only pumps out a gentle 40 brake horsepower from its SOHC, air-cooled 649 cubic centimeters V-twin. Duffing quietly beneath you, you're only ever going to be in for an unhurried ride, which is fine, because there's more to life than tearing about. A peak power of 40 brake horsepower means it is also A2 license compliant, without a restrictor kit, something that can't be said for some modern mid-sized cruisers like the Kawasaki Vulcan S. The Honda CMX 500 Rebel does comply without restriction. Reliability and build quality. The Yamaha Dragstar's finish is very good, with high-quality chrome and paintwork and thoughtful touches like rust-resisting, resin-coated spokes. Its shaft drive, too, reducing mess and promoting longevity. The twin-cylinder motor is very unstressed and should be good for years to come. This is reflected in our 7 owners' reviews of the bike, which give it a very good mark for build quality and reliability. Value versus rivals. The Yamaha XVS650 Dragstar replaced the Virago 15535 in the Yamaha lineup, and it's by far the better bike. What's more, you can pick up a Yamaha Dragstar very cheaply, with older bikes available for around £3,000, stretching to upwards of £5,000 for a newer, well-looked-after example. It doesn't have the feel or the distinctive sound of a Harley-Davidson's 883 Sportster, but your neighbors won't know, and at that price you won't care, with even the cheapest equivalent American fetching around £5,000. Equipment. The Yamaha Dragstar is backed up with a veritable Aladdin's cave of aftermarket booty. You can buy everything from luggage to lights, chrome bars to tassels, and everything in between for your Yamaha Dragstar 650. Yamaha updated the colors of the Dragstar in 2002, bringing a new silver paint scheme. In June 2006, Yamaha revealed 3 new cruiser models on the Japanese market to celebrate the 10th anniversary of its Dragstar range. The 250 cubic centimeters, 650 cubic centimeters, and 1,100 cubic centimeters special edition models gain 10th anniversary brass emblems on the back mudguard, a gold-colored Dragstar badge, 2-tone black and brown seats with rivets, black and white paint, and a special instrument panel. Specs. Engine size 649 cubic centimeters. Engine type 4V, V-twin 5 gears. Frame type tubular steel cradle. Fuel capacity 16 liters. Seat height 710 millimeters. Bike weight 229 kilograms. Front suspension non-adjustable forks. Rear suspension preload-adjustable shock. Front brake single 298 millimeters disc. Rear brake drum. Front tire size 120/60x19. Rear tire size 170/80x15. MPG, costs and insurance. Average fuel consumption 47 miles per gallon. Annual road tax £101. Annual service cost £400. New price Used price £3,200 to £4,500. Insurance group 8 of 17. How much to insure? Warranty term 2-year unlimited mileage. Top speed and performance. Max power 40 brake horsepower. Max torque 37 ft-lb. Top speed 96 miles per hour. A quarter-mile acceleration 15.6 seconds. Tank range 160 miles.